Making homemade ice cream is a fun and delicious project that can be done with just a few basic ingredients and some kitchen equipment. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make homemade ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, ice cubes, rock salt. Equipment: ice cream maker, large mixing bowl, whisk, measuring cups and spoons, saucepan, thermometer. In the saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and salt. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is hot but not boiling. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into a large mixing bowl and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours or overnight. When the mixture is chilled, set up your ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Pour the chilled mixture into the ice cream maker and churn it until it reaches a soft serve consistency, typically about 20 to 25 minutes. While the ice cream is churning, prepare a large bucket or cooler by filling it halfway with ice cubes and adding a layer of rock salt on top of the ice. Once the ice cream has reached a soft serve consistency, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 2 hours to allow it to harden. If you prefer a firmer ice cream, you can leave it in the freezer for longer. To serve, allow the ice cream to sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften before scooping it into bowls or cones. Enjoy your homemade ice cream.